Welcome back, everybody. My name is Christopher Calloway, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to make a pizza store in Python. In this pizza store, we're going to be checking about how the pizza is made and how they choose the flavors around. And this time it's not in Python, it's in JavaScript. So before we dig into the details of this program, I just want to share notes that everybody should subscribe, and if you have been subscribing, thank you. You get more of my videos easily. All right, let's begin. Here with me today is the code, and you've usually seen this before. Doc type HTML, then HTML long equals to English, then head. Then the meta character set is UTF-8. Then the title is Pizza Store. Then it's at the end of the head, so the title of the website is Pizza Store. So once we test it. So body is actually the script, then the source equals to app.js and script. Then that's the end of the body itself, because the body is typically made from JavaScript. And then that's the end of the HTML file. So we move on to the the JavaScript file itself. So constant menu is in a dictionary. So one, nay is margarita. Then let's say it's for £4.99. Nope, let's say 5. Then pepperoni 15, then the vegetarian type is 15. Then the one with mushrooms. Let's say the one with mushrooms is 15. Nope, 20. And also, if you don't add a comma in the dictionary, you'll definitely get a JavaScript error. So here, that's the code. So after you alert the menu, so which stands for console.log menu. So for constant key and pizza, of object or entries menu, so that's the menu over there. So alert key, that's the name, then the pizza name, then you put the pizza price over there. So the constant is choice. So the choice is simply up here. So integer, put either 1 to 4. Let me just add a 5 there so that we can make it simple. Let me just put onion. Good. So here it is. If choice in menu, const select pizza menu choice. I'll let you choose select pizza.name, then total price is select pizza.price, then order summary, then the pizza name, then total price, then else invalid choice, enter valid pizza. So we're gonna run this program now, and after we're gonna take the quiz. Then after, done. That was just a hint for the quiz. Now the menu. So I like number 4. There, that's it, we're done. Now we move on to the quiz. I like running it like that so that's easier for us to answer the quiz. But first, I'd like to take care of a few things before I start. Here we go, then we're starting the quiz now. So there are 10 questions, you only have 15 seconds per question, and then after, that's the end of our video, and I'll give my introduction. And note, you already know what all of these terminologies actually mean, because I've given you some now. So, from the next set of videos, I'll be giving my terminologies out. So it's a while loop that's shown. Well, this is just to mix up the question so I can bring in further understanding. As I'm going through the questions, I'll be going through them with you. So the constant is the value that's permanently assigned to that particular data structure. So we'll just pass int main. So parse int is actually the output by the programmer must be a certain number, which can only be an integer. Parse float now is the output from the given input by the programmer, but it must be a certain number, which can only be what? It can only be 3, 2, 1, a decimal number. As discussed in the video, I will tell you. Bingo. What's the qualified name for the project? Discussed during the video. Three, two, one. There we go. Then the next set of questions are easy. How many conditionals do we see in the video? If you aren't counting while I was explaining, bad luck. But if you're counting, good luck for you. This question is easy. So there are 3 conditionals. I'll just go to a flashback before my outro. This one is definitely going to be easy, because I've shown this to you several times. You should be able to do that with no difficulties. In 3, 2, 1. So I'll go back and count them for you so that we can get on with the introduction. Here it is. So 1, 4 loops, if statements, and else statements, which counts as 3. Well, I've done it. So this is just a taster of Python and JavaScript, both of them together, because the previous video was a Python video. And now today we're doing a JavaScript. So that's just it. Soon I'll be doing C++ videos to ensure more understanding, which simply means that I could progress to another one. If I learn it very well and master it, I can certainly do a lot of these videos with no difficulty. So for the pizza store, if you want to find out what you're ordering, what pizza flavor you're ordering, always find out the program, which is from this video right now. And also some other pizza videos I might make in the future. Alright, that's it for now. See you soon. And take care.